I'm sure you've seen this kind of baby videos going viral all over the internet, but what you didn't know is that they are really easy to make. So most of these videos are actually celebrity videos which have been turned into baby videos. So you can see some of them here. These are the Joe Rogan videos. We have some for Judge Judy, and people are going crazy over these videos. Some have upwards of 1 million views. So in this video, I want to show you how to create the AI talking baby videos using just a few simple tools. Let's get started. So the first step that I want us to do, and this could be optional depending on the kind of videos that you want to create, is that I want us to create a script of what our baby avatar is going to be saying. For that, I'm going to be using ChatGPT. So this is my prompt: create a podcast script for a baby podcast, giving tips on how to get the best out of life as a baby. This is what ChatGPT gave me. I have a podcast title. This is the first episode, and the duration is about 5 minutes. So we have the first part here, and then we have tip number 1, tip number 2, and so on. So if you're going to be reusing other people's content, then you might not need this part, because I need this part because I'm going to be creating a voiceover. So once it's done, we can go to our second step, which is creating the AI image of a baby avatar. So this is my prompt: create a baby cartoon image of the podcast host Mama Lala, with her being in a podcast setup with some headphones and a mic in front of her. Okay, so the host Mama Lala, I got that from what ChatGPT gave us. So you can see in the introduction here, it tells us that the host is Mama Lala. Yes, that is where I'm getting the host name from. So when I put in this prompt, this is what ChatGPT gave me. Okay, so you can see this is a cartoon character, and we are not going to be able to use this. So what I did is that I went back to ChatGPT and I gave it an image to use. So you can see I uploaded an image of myself here. So if you want to create the celebrity videos, then this is going to be probably your first step. So you're going to take the image of the celebrity that you want to create videos from, and then you're going to do this exact step that I'm doing. But you have to be careful with this step if you're going to be uploading other people's images into the different tools. Yeah, because what this means is that you're giving out their data without their consent, and this could land you into problems. But this is essentially how you do the step. So you get the image. So I'm using an image of myself, and then I upload it into ChatGPT. Yeah, and then I input in this prompt: create a super realistic baby picture of the image. This will be the podcast host. Ensure she has a studio background and a mic in front of her, and also some headphones to make it look like she's at the podcast studio. Yeah, so you can see I'm using an image of myself. So this is where you'd probably use maybe the celebrity image. So this is what ChatGPT gave me, and this is an image of myself as a baby. I'll have to compare it with my baby pictures. Yeah, so this is something I think we can be able to use. And by the way, if you're enjoying the video, ensure you like it and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate all the love and support. Let's continue. So I'm just going to download that, and this is going to take us to our third step, which is getting the audio that we're going to be using for this particular video. So some of the ways that you can get the audio that you're going to use is: number 1, you could record your own voice for your audio. Number 2, you could decide to use maybe the audio from the clip that you downloaded. Maybe you want to use a celebrity voice. For that, you could use something like Opus Clip to get some of the best moments from maybe a video clip, and then you can just strip the audio from that. That would help you get the audio. And number 3, which is what I like to use, is to use AI voice. For that, I'm going to be using 11 Labs, and I'm going to leave the link to 11 Labs in the description down below, because 11 Labs is one of the best tools if you want to get AI voice. So once you're signed in into 11 Labs, then you can go to where it says text to speech, and then you're going to paste in the script that you're going to use to create your voiceover. So I'm just going to go back to ChatGPT. This is where I had created my script in the first step, and then I'm just going to copy a section of this. Maybe I'll use this first one here. So we paste it back into 11 Labs. You can see this is the introduction part, and now I need to find a voice for us to use for this. So I'm going to go to voices, and then in the library section, I'm going to search for a child's voice. So I found this one here, so I'm just going to click add, and then I'm going to click to use it, because this is the voice that I want to use. And now I can click on generate speech.
I'm your host, Mama Lala, and today we're...
Yeah, so that is the speech that was generated. So now I can go back to ChatGPT and now copy another section of the script. So I'll copy this next section here. This is tip number 1, and then I'm going to go back to 11 Labs, paste it here, and then we can generate the speech for this. And then I'll go ahead and also copy another third part. So this could be tip number 2, paste it into 11 Labs. I think I'm going to remove this host part here. I don't want it to say that. And then we're going to generate the speech again. So now we have 3 different audio voices, and you can do this for as many voiceovers that you want to have in your video. Now we can go to the 4th step, and that is animating our video. It's actually also the last step. So for that, we're going to use a tool called Hedra. You can sign up using the link in the description down below. So once you're signed in, you're going to have around 300 free credits, which you can use to start creating your videos with. We're going to go to where it says video here. So we're going to click on start frame, and then we're going to upload the image that we created using ChatGPT, the baby image. And then we're going to go to where it says audio script, and then now we are going to upload the audio that we created using 11 Labs. Now, important to note, you can see my audio here is 24 seconds, this other one is 20 seconds, and the last one is 13 seconds. So Hedra is only going to allow you to use up to 20 seconds if you're on the free version. So I'm going to use the one that is 13 seconds. So if you click on original audio, then you can be able to hear what your audio sounds like. So just going to upload that as our audio, and now we need to add in a prompt for what our character is going to be doing. Yeah, so you can use inspire me if you want to get some like inspiration of a prompt idea. But I already have this prompt with me here. It says make a video of the talking baby as if presenting in a podcast, make her smile and blink naturally. You can also change the aspect ratio here, so you could have the 16:9, which is what you'd use for like a YouTube video, or you could have the 9:16, which is what you use for like a vertical video like TikTok. Yeah, so we enter that, and now since we're on the free version, you can see that our wait time is going to be a bit longer. So you just wait for it until it completes generating your video. So this is what our final video looks like.
I'm your host, Mama Lala, and today we're diving into some top-tier tips on how to get the best out of life as a baby. Whether you're 3 weeks or 10 months old, these tips are golden rattles, my friend. Let's roll into the magic.
Load it. Let me download it so that you have an up-close view of the same.
I'm your host, Mama Lala, and today we're diving into some top-tier tips on how to get the best out of life as a baby. Whether you're 3 weeks or 10 months old, these tips are golden rattles, my friend. Let's roll into the magic.
Yeah, so that is what the final video looks like. Let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. Yeah, so this works if you have like one person, just speaking in a podcast. But if you have multiple speakers, then you have to follow the exact same process that we use for when we were creating this one character. So you have to create multiple images for your characters, animate them separately for the different sections where they are talking, and then you can put it together with a video editor such as CapCut. Ensure you also watch the video on the screen to learn how to create more videos like this, and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any new content. My name is Peris, and I'll catch you on the next one.